What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle, people. It has been a minute since I've posted a skipping tutorial. My apologies. I've been suffering a little bit with my calves recently. They've been playing up, but we're back today. They're still hurting, but we've got a real fire tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you probably one of the hardest footworks that a lot of my clients over the years of teaching skipping, what they found super difficult, and it's the Mayweather side swing hop variation. Okay, now it's got like a little bit of an extra kind of kick to this one today. I'm gonna have a little clip here next to me right now, just playing. It's a very short clip, one of his most recent skipping clips. Okay, the king at work. Basically, what he's gonna be doing is this little footwork hop, and he kind of extends his pelvis out a little bit, makes it look a little bit more kind of cooler, fresher. We're gonna go through that today. It's gonna be super epic. Remember, if you're new to the channel and don't know what the hell is going on, this is where you're gonna learn how to skip like a boss, people. Hit the subscribe buttons, hit the notification bells, do what you need to do, and make sure you cop the most in-demand skipping ropes on the planet. This is the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope. Shop all your ropes, mats, accessories, everything online, and get started the right way. So peeps, we're gonna get through this very quickly, okay? Like I said, my calves are a little bit sore. Got a little video coming up on injuries and preventions and things like that as well. We're gonna be filming that today with Nathan. Today I want to teach you very simply how to get this side swing hop done. I've got previous tutorials done before, which will help. But what you need to really remember with this one, right, and why people find it difficult is because when it comes to skipping, a lot of people fall into traps, as always, of just trying to learn things like crossovers, things like double unders, double under crosses, everything you've seen on this channel, all the combinations that I've pulled out over the years, side swings, and they forget the most fundamental key element, the thing that really ties everything together, and it is your footwork. Okay, now the footwork on this move, I don't know, people find it a little bit difficult. I think it's not a natural footwork movement. It's not like a run or obviously like a basic bounce, something that people do generally like on a day-to-day basis. With this one, we're kind of doing a move which involves us having to shift body weight and also take off with one leg, land on another leg, and reshift weight. So that's why people find it difficult. And when you see people like Mayweather doing this move, and this is the guy who showed me this move, like the way he moves with it, with the rope, with his hands and his arms, when he's doing it with the side swings, it looks really seamless, fluid, and effortless. So let's get straight into this. What is this move all about? So you're gonna be doing some side swings, okay? And what we wanna try and do is we're trying to learn in this footwork motion here. Now you probably see it better from maybe this angle here, camera B. What we're trying to do is we're trying to really time the jump, time the hands, and we're taking off with the back leg. Now my back leg, because I kind of naturally go to my left and then my right and then I open, my back leg, there's a shift of weight going back and then forward. That's really like important to understand. And what you want to do is just put your rope down for a second. What we're trying to achieve here is we're just trying to get this movement where we're rocking. You want to feel like you're kind of rocking back and forward like this. It's not like you can do it like static, right, which is good. But like you see with the Mayweather video, he's kind of moving forward with it, which is really nice. We keep showing that clip as well if we can, but a little rock forward and backwards is what makes it look really nice. So get into this habit of having one leg forward, one leg back, and you're just trying to do this, trying to rock here. So I tend to, when I feel it, I'm sort of taking off with my back leg, taking off with the right leg, landing with the left, and then coming back onto the right leg. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, it kind of looks weird without the rope, but then when it comes to doing it with the rope now, I would recommend you just go slowly. So here, so 1, 2, jump over the rope. And people and beginners, like in general, find this difficult because again, it looks so easy, it looks so simple, but I guarantee you, if you're a beginner watching this video today and you've got your rope, just try and do this. Try and do this in your living room, just try and get up and just do that. It's not really as natural as it looks, funny enough. But when you get it, then you're just like, okay, this isn't that bad. Next key point really is you have to stay on the balls of your feet. I say you rock forward and you rock back, but you don't want to fall back onto your heels. You don't want to be like this, okay? You don't want to feel like, you really just kind of don't want to feel the ground. It's a really weird way to sort of put it, but this is a really good tip, is you just want to feel like you're kind of just never really touching the ground, you're just tapping it. And that way, again, when it comes to kind of doing this move, when you try and do it slowly, You know, you're gonna kind of feel like the balls of your feet are really working hard. You get a really good stretch in your calves, really good burn on your legs, and it really ties in nicely with when you're doing side swings. It looks really nice and fluid, like I said. So start slowly, and we'll just stay here. When you get comfortable, up the speed. Okay, then you can start to whip this rope around. I'm not gonna go into kind of how the side swing works because I've got loads of tutorials on this. I'm not gonna talk really much about the whip, but again, the timing is really key when you jump. You only wanna jump when this rope is millimeters in front of your foot. So don't jump too early. Don't kind of just make it look kind of like this. You might trip as well like that. Don't jump too early, like here. Just really nice, small jumps, just little ones like this. And once you get this right, once you get that timing right, that's when you can start to move through the gears, like I said, nice and slow here. And then you can start to add small variations. So you can now have this kind of pelvis kick, which you see Mayweather do in this video. So it's just like this. So he actually kind of kicks his pelvis out, chest kind of pops out a little bit, and that always looks quite nice. So it's just here, like this. That looks good. Or sometimes he does it more of a kind of chest down motion. So he sort of stands a bit over the rope, and he's more kind of a little bit bent down, allows him to get a lot of speed. So very nice and quick and easy, hopefully people. Just get that rocking motion going, shifting that weight back and forward, balls of your feet, stay light on your toes, and you make sure you get this move done really, really nicely. Include it with your combos, make it look cool. And like I said, once you get the hand speed up, it'll start to look fluid, effortless, and just buttery. That's what we want when it comes to our skipping game, people. So remember, please give this video a big like, people. That will be really useful for me. Allow this channel to grow. Hit those links down below. Grab your ropes, everything you need. Let's get started. And yeah, good to be back on YouTube. Sorry it's been a while. Hopefully you're still here. See you in the next one as always. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.